I started doing research in the area of psychology and neuroscience. I developed automated visual stimuli to understand behavior, but the behavior of zebrafish in a laboratory setting. And I wanted to apply that to humans. So I went on to understand and study how visual attention works in consumers in online settings from a cognitive psychology perspective. And these experiences have helped solidify my interest in automated processes. And for example, other projects I have been involved with have included looking at how neuroscientific devices are used to understand rationality and biases in people, and how we can use how they're used perhaps to understand human decision making, rationality in human decision making, and consumption. Responsible AI, first of all, includes accountability, transparency, for example, privacy, ethics, perceived fairness. And for me, coming from a background in neuroscience and psychology, I believe that responsible AI means understanding an individual's reactions, such as their perceptions, attitudes, and behavior. And I think this is important, not only the development of AI, but also in terms of how it gets adopted, how it's in its continual use. And the more understanding and trust there is, the more consumers also use it, and the better and the more that AI can be enhanced to further serve the to help consumers, basically. To what extent will users accept automated decision making for it to be made on their behalf? This means tackling the consumer more specifically, understanding how they think, their cognitive processing, what they perceive to be fair, and what they want in terms of control, and what really are their expectations. How can we personalize AI, and how do they really understand what it is? In my free time, I like to do various things. So for example, bike, yoga, watch movies, read books, go for walks, various things.